Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to make another childhood / leftovers recipe. This is something my dad would make for us growing up, and this is one of his favorites that his mom made for him, my paternal grandmother. And this is basically Mexican rice and scrambled eggs. It's super easy to make, and my son wants something to eat, so I decided to make this for him today. So I'm going to preheat a nonstick small skillet. I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of oil. For those of you that always ask, I'm using grapeseed oil. You could use what you have. And now I'm going to add maybe a half cup of cooked leftover Mexican rice. And this is cold rice. It's just something that my dad loved, and actually it's something that my grandmother would do for the family when she had leftover rice. And it was really something that my dad looked forward to for breakfast. He would sometimes do breakfast tacos, sometimes he'd have bacon on the side, just by itself. It really is something that's easy, economical, and something we enjoyed growing up. So you're just going to heat and stir fry the leftover rice. And for those of you that want a Mexican rice recipe, I have like 3 videos that I've put out over the course of 5 years. So I will put the link in the description below. So you'll want to go ahead and just saute and stir fry this for a couple of minutes. So after about 3 minutes of stir frying the rice, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. That's optional. I just like butter with my scrambled eggs. So I'm going to add the tablespoon, melt it down. Then I'm just going to add the eggs and cook it. And that is it. Very simple and very easy. Once you've cooked your eggs to your desired doneness, they are ready to serve. My son likes a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce, and he is a happy boy. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.